back on the grind with a summer video for you because it is summer. This is like a summer hack slash party trick you can do, and you can trick your friends and they'll be like, well, hey, how did you do that? And they'll be like, my secret. So here we go. As you can see from the thumbnail today, it's going to be a summer fun one. So here we go, smash that like button, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what I can name a new pet. And of course, if you're new here, my name's Sam, you know what you need to do. Subscribe if you're new, follow the journey on YouTube. Here we go. Let's see what things you're going to need to make my new friend. Well, of course, you're going to need one amazing pineapple. Any pineapple of your choice, big or small, it doesn't matter. So here we go, pineapple. You'll need some scissors. Be very careful when cutting. In this tub, I have a toothpick. They're called toothpicks, yeah, a toothpick. And a little red, I hope I can zoom in on that, little red sweet ball. Only because I don't have the colour that I need. But it doesn't matter, we're going to have a red one. Who cares? Pick whatever colour you like. I'm going to be using either milk chocolate sauce or strawberry sauce. I'm not quite decided just yet, but we'll see, and I'm sure you'll realise what it is. I'm going to need this for. Finally, a large carving or chopping knife. Again, be very careful because you're doing this at home, you don't want to be cutting yourself on that. Let's get started. So, first of all, it's up to you if you want to put it on a chopping board, but this is not really used that much for sitting at, so this is my chopping board, okay? So, all you need to do is chop your head of the pineapple off. If I can get into it. Oops. Juice is going to go everywhere, isn't it? Yep, this is my life. Well, hey, here we go. There you go. I'm going to save this for later. Now what you want to do is cut the inside out all the way around the edge and take the middle out. Second thought, guys, I don't want to get pineapple juice everywhere, so I'm going to use a plate. Then you want to make a small incision at the top or bottom, whichever way around you want to call it. That will allow you to pop the pineapple out. You've got your pineapple out, is cut it into 4 chunks. Then take the core off. Chop the rest of your chunks up. Now we just want to put our chunks back in our pineapple. There we go. I have smaller scissors now. You want to use smaller scissors? We just want to be chopping all these small leaves off and leaving the best 4 long ones at the top. Guys, let me know down in the comments if you think you know what this section is going to be. Just giving him some carrots, you know. We are done. Small knife now, you just want to cut each side off, like that. Correction, big knife. Now you just want to round the end off. I'm going to use a potato peeler for this section. Like so. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you, you are going to need a little section of a carrot for his beak. Now we're just going to shape the beak. So guys, this is the shape I've come up with for the beak. You can make any style of beak you like. Next, this is where we'll need a toothpick. We're just gonna insert the toothpick. So here we go guys, this is the end product. We have his head and we have his beak. Next you want to get your other toothpick, put it in the bottom like so. This is the tricky bit. We need to put his eye on. I hope it's going to work. You have a red eye. And now you just need to make sure you get your... and away you go. Damn it. There. How'd you like him? There you have it guys, my very own pineapple parrot friend. See if you can make this little guy at home, and let me know down in the comments what we should name him, because, you know, he needs to be named. Let me know down in the comments what you think to this summer life hack. If you're having a party, go and fool your friends and they'll be like, oh cool, you got a parrot. But then realise he's not real. How about that? Let me know down in the comments what you think. You can use any colour eye you want. In the end, unfortunately chocolate sauce failed me. I had to make a small hole and the chocolate ball just fit perfectly in, so there we go. And of course, if you are new here, subscribe if you're new. Don't be missing out on any summer videos. Do you? Of course not. So yeah, that is the end of the summer party life hack video. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Bye. Well, hey, the first summer hack party trick of the channel. Let me know down in the comments what you think we should name our new friend. And of course, subscribe if you are new.